Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. Today's show is called How to Know Your Remodeler's Communication is Effective. Picture this. You're sipping your morning coffee, envisioning your dream kitchen, when questions start popping up faster than pimples on prom night. It becomes clear. Your remodeler's communication skills are about as crucial as that morning caffeine hit. Effective communication isn't just a perk. It's the lifeline that keeps your remodeling project from turning into a game of telephone gone horribly wrong. So, how do you know if your remodeler is a communications prodigy or needs to go back to Communication 101? First off, let's talk about clarity. Does your remodeler use technical jargon that makes you feel like you're deciphering ancient runes, or do they break things down in plain English? Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Clarity builds trust and ensures you're not nodding along pretending to understand while danger lurks behind drywall. Next up is availability. An available remodeler has as open lines as a dedication hotline. They don't vanish like Houdini but stick around to address concerns and answer questions. Check their response time. If you're getting answers to your emails quicker than you receive your Amazon orders, you're in good hands. Regular updates are your remodeler's love language. Keep an eye out for detailed progress reports, pictures of ongoing work, and what's next in line. A remodeler with consistent updates means fewer surprises, unless they're the good kind, like finishing under budget. How often do they engage you in the process? Reactive communication is fine, but proactive discussion keeps those, hey, we need to change moments genuinely collaborative. And let's face it, mistakes happen, even to the best of us. How your remodeler handles hiccups says everything about their communication prowess. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. An effective communicator addresses issues head on, turning potential disasters into mere footnotes in your remodeling journey. Oh, and feedback isn't a one-way street. A great remodeler won't just listen, but act on your critiques, adjusting plans faster than you can say, let's reconsider that accent wall. So folks, keep these signs in your back pocket. They'll transform your remodeling experience from a potential nightmare into a harmonious dream where your vision leaps from paper to exquisite reality without the headaches. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.